Alright, let's be real. Fades have been the go-to haircut for guys for like the last decade. High fade, low fade, skin fade, you name it. But here's the thing. Fades are starting to get outplayed. Don't get me wrong, they are clean, they are sharp. But if you want to stand out in 2025, sticking to the same old fade isn't the move anymore. So in this video, I'm breaking down why fades are on their way out and what fresh haircuts are replacing them. Spoiler, you might actually like this a lot more. Stick around because by the end, you will know exactly what to tell your barber next time you're in the chair. The fade fatigue. Okay, so why are fades dying out? Simple, everyone has one. You walk down the street and it's like copy-paste haircut simulator. The fade was cool because it was fresh, modern and gave that crisp look. But now it's too common and in style. Once something becomes too common, it starts to lose its spark. Also, fades need constant upkeep. Every 2 weeks back in the chair. And let's be honest, not everyone has the time or the budget for that. So guys are starting to look for longer lasting, more natural cuts. What's taking over? So if fades are slowing down, what's replacing them? Here are the cuts taking over in 2025. The mod cut. Inspired by the K-pop wave, messy, textured with volume in the front, super stylish and stands out instantly. The middle part or curtains. It's back boys, the 90s nostalgia, but with a modern twist. Works amazing with medium length hair. The fringe crop. Short, low maintenance, textured fringe. Looks sharp without needing constant trips to the barber. The buzz cut, but upgraded. Think buzz cut with a bold twist. Bleached, dyed or even designs saved in. Minimal effort, maximum statement. The flow. If you have been growing your hair out, this is your time. Longer hair that's layered and styled naturally is making a big comeback. So yeah, the era of sharp fades is shifting into a more natural, effortless vibe. Why this shift is happening? Trends always follow culture, right? And right now, guys are leaning towards individuality. Instead of everyone walking around with the same fade, people want haircuts that match their personality, their vibe, their face shape. And with social media blowing up hairstyles from K-pop idols, TikTokers and athletes, the look is less barbers of fades and more lifestyle, unique aesthetic. Basically, men's hair is becoming more expressive instead of just clean cut. And honestly, I think that's a good thing. What you should do next? So does this mean you should never get a fade again? Nah. If a fade looks great on you and you love it, keep it. But if you are bored of it or you want to glow up for 2025, this is your chance to experiment. Ask your barber about adding texture, layers or flow. Try a messy mod cut, a middle part or even growing it out. Because trust me, the guy who experiments and evolves his style is always gonna look fresher than the one who sticks to the same haircut forever. So boys, there you have it. The era of fades is slowly slowing down and a whole new wave of cuts is here. If you're ready to switch things up, drop a comment with which haircut you're gonna try next. Oh, and if you wanna know exactly which styles will give you that aura boost, check out my video on hairstyles that radiate pure aura. It's a must watch. Alright boys, no more fade clones. Let's stand out in 2025. See you in the next one.